So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for Amino app. So when you find the Amino app, what you have to do is to tap on it. So let's tap on it for some while, and you are going to see this pop up. So when you find this pop up, what you have to do is to tap on this app info over here like this. So just tap on it. So when you tap on the app info, you are going to be in the app info of Amino app. So now what you have to do next is to tap on permissions. Make sure the camera, contact, location, microphone, phone and storage is all allowed. After allowing everything, what you have to do is tap on notifications. Make sure this show notification is toggled on. Turn it on, then you go back. After that, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. On other device, you're going to see mobile data and restriction. It's all the same. Make sure you check the background data. When it's off like this, just try to turn it on and go back. Now tap on storage and cache, then you tap on the clear cache. Go back and tap on notifications and make sure this show notification is toggled on. After doing all this, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store and try to search for Amino app. When it appears like this, what you have to do is to check for the latest update of this app. So what you have to do is to tap on this update and you are going to get the latest update of this app. So after doing this, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while to restart your device. Now tap on restart and tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed. See you in my next video.